Okay, so I'm Bethany Rentz. I work at Nerd, so I've been there a month. And some of you, I mentioned I was going to do a lightning talk, and you asked me what the topic was, and I came up with a catchy topic, focus on the custard. And what I realized, okay, when I started, what they do for the new employees is we go out for frozen custard. And then we talk about the Nerd values. So I think somewhere along the line, the value of focus on the customer got refactored to focus on the custard. But it's really catchy to just get you to think about making sure that you're putting your customer first in your designs. So what I wanted to do, Star gave a great talk yesterday talking about usability testing, and I agreed with a lot of that, and I thought maybe I can share another tip for you that you could go through and really quickly and cheaply implement some of the ideas that he shared. So again, you are not your customer. Even though you can use your design, your customer probably can't. And to do some really early on usability testing, what I would recommend doing is thinking about coming up with your persona, your user stories, and come up with some tasks. So I came up with the task of testing Twitter. And so this scenario of you're at a conference, you meet someone that you want to follow on Twitter. So in order to test that, you would pick 3 or 4 users. And before you build out the Twitter UI, I actually, on a piece of paper, did a prototype. And I'm not, great design, and you probably can't read that, so maybe I'd take a little bit more care. But what I would do is I'd sit down with a user and just ask them to see if they can complete that task with the mock-up of the screens. And what's great about this is if it doesn't make sense and you want to make some quick changes before doing some tests, you can quickly just scribble out and say maybe search was confusing for them and they're trying to search for something, and so maybe you would change it to be search tweets, or to make it more specific. So it's just a really great, easy way to validate your design before you spend a lot of time writing code. And it's probably something you could delegate to a non-developer to get feedback for you. So if you guys have any questions, you can see me around at the breaks, and I'll be happy to share more with you.